is Alex the alligator, and he's super duper hungry. Super hungry, okay? Do alligators like to eat small amounts or big amounts?
They like to eat big amounts.
Big amounts, because they're super big, right?
Yeah.
Alex is special. He doesn't like to eat other animals and leaves and plants like normal alligators do.
Yeah.
No, he likes to eat numbers. See, he's eating a number up here.
Yeah.
He likes to eat big numbers, small numbers, and even numbers that are the same. Okay, he likes to face his mouth to the biggest number that he sees. Does that make sense? And he turns his back to the small number. Okay? And when two numbers are the same, he faces his mouth to the front and he chomps down on both of them at the same time, okay? Today, we are going to learn how to compare the numbers of objects in two groups. And we're going to use the words greater than, please look up here, greater than, less than, and equal to while looking at groups of items. You've done this before, right?
Yeah.
Today, you're going to feed Alex the alligator by comparing the amounts of different items. Watch me as I count these two amounts, then feed Alex, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I know that there are 5 on this side. There's my number 5. Can you help me count this one? 1, 2. So how many are on this side?
5.
How many are on this side right here?
2.
2, right. So looking at these numbers, I think that 5 is greater than 2 because there are 3 more squares on this side than on this side. So that means that 5 is a greater number than 2. And we can check that by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did 2 come before 5? Before, exactly. So 5 is a bigger number, which means it is greater than 2. So I'm going to hold up this picture of the mouth facing towards the bigger number because he wants to eat the bigger amount so he can get nice and full, right? Here's the greater than. Here's the equal to. And here's the less than. Okay? So I'm going to place different amounts in front of you. And first, we're going to start with playing cards, okay? So write the number of cards on that side.
On this side?
Yep. How many are on that side? Perfect. Now you can pick which mouth. So you want the mouth to be facing the bigger number, whichever one is bigger. Perfect job. So now can you say the sentence?
The 4 is the bigger number than 3.
Perfect. You can say 4 is greater than 3. We're using crayons now. Good. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect job. Okay. Which one of these is going to fit to make the sentence correct? Great. Now say it.
5. 6 is the bigger number than 5.
Right. 6 is the bigger number than 5. And another way of saying that is 5 is less than 6. Less means smaller. So you can say 5 is a smaller number. Let's count together. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You wrote that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Perfect. And you wrote a 7. Okay, which one of these pictures is going to make it correct? Perfect. So, how can we say this? Starting from here.
7
Mm-hmm.
is less than 8.
Perfect job. So, which one's the bigger number?
8.
Good job. Ooh. Okay. Erase that number. Okay, which one makes that correct? How many are on each side? Perfect.
2.
Say it with me.
2
2 is, what's the word that means the same as?
the
What's,
same
what's
as
the math word that means the same?
equal.
Right. 2 is equal to.
Another 2.
Perfect. That was so good. Can you draw a line directly down the middle of this page? In the first section of this paper, so right on this side on the top, okay? You are going to draw 4 circles on this side, okay? Draw 4 circles. Now on this side, you're going to draw 6 circles, okay? You're going to figure out which side of these is greater, okay? So the mouth should be facing which side?
The 6.
The 6, yeah, perfect. Let's draw. Now, you're going to draw, 2 squares on this side. Good job. And draw 1 square on this side.
That's me.
Okay. Draw the mouth of the alligator facing the side that has more, that is greater. Perfect. So you drew it facing which number?
That 2.
Because 2 is
More
than.
than 1. Than 1.
Good. Okay, and now on this, do 3 squares. You did perfect squares. Do those again. And 3 on this side, okay? Perfect. Now draw the proper sign that goes in between the two of them. Greater than, equal to, less than. Perfect job. Which sign did you do?
This.
Yeah, what's it called?
That's called equal.
Equals, because 3 is
3.
equal to,
6.
3 is equal to,
Equal to 3.
3 is the same as 3. 3 is equal to 3. Perfect. How do we know if one group is greater than the other group?
Because it's
Please
bigger.
sit up.
Because it's bigger.
Because it's bigger. There's, what's another word for bigger? More.
More.
There's more, and you can count them, right?
Yeah.
And what does it mean if they are equal? What does it mean to be
Because they're the same.
they're the same? There's the same amount, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do we know if something is less than?
Less means that it will eat the bigger
Right.
number.
Eats the bigger number. Okay? Can you look up here, please? What is another word for less than?
Less than would mean that it would what? Less means
Less means
that the bigger number. Less means that it's less means that like 1 and a 5. That is the lower number.
the 1 is less than the 5.
Yep.
Okay. That's a good way of saying it. So the mouth is going to go towards the bigger number. That's what you were going to say. Did a good job.